Hey there, food lovers! Today, we're going to dive into the world of chili paste, a versatile ingredient that can elevate any dish. To create this mouth-watering paste, we'll need a few key ingredients: cooking oil, ginger, garlic, shallots, dried chili pieces, dried ground shrimp, brown sugar, black pepper, and few other ingredients. First, we'll sauté the ginger and garlic paste and shallots in the cooking oil. Cook until golden brown. We'll add the dried chili pieces, followed by the ground shrimps. Salt, brown sugar, cinnamon stick, soy sauce, and some black pepper. Simmer for 15 minutes. Finally finish with some Sächsing wine and apple cider vinegar. With these simple steps, you'll be able to create a flavorful chili paste that's perfect for adding a kick to your favorite dishes. If you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Thank you for joining me in this culinary adventure.